How to make a printable achievement certificate. Although it is better to use templates, you can make the achievement certificate yourself. Well, making an achievement certificate is pretty simple if you follow the steps vigilantly. Plan yourself. In any field of life, planning yourself is of immense importance. By planning, you can shape the outcome to some extent, considering the future is unpredictable. Well, before you begin working on an achievement certificate, decide the basics. Decide the look of the certificate. Should it have a horizontal or vertical layout? Will you craft it by hand or use some software, such as Microsoft Word? If so, then which material will you use to print the certificate? So, you see, the planning will help you pave the way accordingly. When you have no idea about the steps to take, then you'll probably end up making mistakes and consuming more time than required. Gather resources. Now, you must arrange your materials and data. Get yourself a device or paper, depending on the mode of work. Also, gather the data about the recipient and the authority, such as full name and contact sources. Draft it out. Once you have everything required, start drafting your achievement certificate. Firstly, work on the content. Make the title and then headings if you want. Remember to make them precise, direct, and placed on the top center. Next, draft the presentation line and description. Do remember to mention the date as well as the recipient and authority details. Do not sign off right now. Complete all the other elements, including the designing. Finalization. Once you have completed all of the elements, ensure that everything is accurate. Recheck the details you have mentioned as well as ensure whether the content is error-free. The tone of the content should be polite, formal, and encapsulating. You may add a humorous touch or be creative about the way you craft sentences. There is no hard and fast rule. But, make sure there are no or negligible grammatical errors. Put all the elements together to see whether everything suits the purpose of the certificate. When you feel satisfied, sign off the achievement certificate in case you are the authority. You may put a stamp or seal too. After that, print out the certificate on the desired material. Concisely, the achievement certificate holds a prime position in our lives, whether you are a student, employee, or business owner. When we pave our way to success, it becomes very discouraging when nobody recognizes it. Imagine when no one would ever appreciate and celebrate each other's success, we would be nowhere. No one would have felt the need to struggle, work hard, and feel motivated. Now you know the need for achievement certificate, its use, components, and making procedure. So, start browsing through achievement certificate examples and templates and download. We hope that you have understood well.